Let's talk about MERRYHE Folding Electric Road Bicycle Cruiser Citybike 240 watts 48 volts 10R removably battery foldable 27-speed mountain e-bike LCD display smart beach snow bikes. Large capacity removable 240 watts 48 volts LiB battery can be charged on or off the frame, equipped with smart lithium battery charger. Fast charging only need 57 hours. Adapting to need of your long distance riding. 3 working modes: 50 km twist throttle, 90 km power assisted and pedal. You can enjoy a long time trip with any mode according to your needs. Combining 3 modes would be a better choice. 261.95 tires e-bike, tackle the tough the sand, snow or road with ease. And the frame is made of durable alloy, full suspension fork, offers smooth cushioning and shock absorption when cycling on rough terrains, enjoying the stimulate during your ride. Max speed 35 miles per hour, with the perfect combination of 27 speeds. Shimano gears can get you to your destination fast and efficient. Please mind your local speed regulations when you ride your electric bike. Warranty: with 1-year warranty for the electric motor, frame and 6 months for battery. You've no worry using it.